There's a hidden truth about the universe that they don't want you to see, a truth that holds the key to unlimited power, joy, and success. It's been hidden for centuries, but I'm going to reveal it to you today. This video may not stay up for long, so watch it before it disappears, because this knowledge can literally change your life. Stick with me until the end, and you'll understand why this secret is so powerful, and how to use it to shape your reality. Welcome back to Power of Thought, the channel that empowers you to shape your world with the force of your mind. Today, we're diving deep into a hidden truth, a principle that's been shielded from the masses for centuries because of the immense power it offers. Most people live their lives without ever realizing the truth I'm about to share. They live constrained by the limits of what they see, never understanding that they could create any life they want if they only knew this one thing. It's something that goes against almost everything we've been taught, but once you understand it, you will unleash a force within you that can literally shape your destiny. Today, I'm going to share with you the ultimate secret of the universe, a principle so powerful that it can transform every aspect of your life. If you've ever wondered why some people seem to manifest their desires effortlessly, while others struggle endlessly, this video will give you the answer. Ready to unlock the truth? Let's get started. The hidden truth is this: the universe is mental. This is the foundation of an ancient principle called the principle of mentalism, and it has been hidden from most people for generations. What this means is that everything in the universe, including the physical world you experience, is a manifestation of the mind. Think about that for a second. Everything, your relationships, your financial situation, your health, your happiness, is a reflection of your thoughts. The world you live in, the experiences you have, the events you encounter, are all projected from your mind like an image reflected in a mirror. Let's explore this deeper. Picture yourself standing in front of a mirror. When you move, the reflection moves. When you raise your arms, the reflection does the same, right? Well, life is just like that mirror. When you think positive thoughts, life reflects positivity back to you. And when you think negatively, the world reflects negativity right back at you. But here's the twist. Unlike a regular mirror, the reflection of your thoughts doesn't appear instantly in the physical world. That's where most people get lost. You might think a positive thought, but you don't see immediate results, and you start doubting the process. But make no mistake, the reflection is coming, just on a delayed timeline. So why is there a delay between the thoughts you think and their manifestation in the physical world? It's because the physical world, the world of things, operates at a slower, denser vibration compared to the speed of thought. The mental world, where your thoughts exist, moves instantly, but the physical world takes time to catch up. This is why when you hold a thought, whether it's a positive or negative one, you don't see the physical reflection right away. Imagine this. If your life was like a movie playing on a screen, your thoughts would be the script. But just like it takes time to produce a film, it takes time for your thoughts to become your physical reality. This is why patience and persistence are crucial. You can't plant a seed today and expect a tree to grow by tomorrow. But if you nurture it, water it, and give it the right conditions, it will grow. Your thoughts work the same way. If you've been wondering why things haven't changed in your life, even though you've tried to think positively, this is the reason. Your thoughts are planting seeds in the mental world, and in time, those seeds will bloom into the experiences of your life. But only if you hold on to them long enough and stay focused on your vision. Now that you understand the principle of mentalism, the question becomes, how do you use it to create the life you desire? The answer is simple, but profound. You must hold a clear mental image of what you want. This is more than just casually wishing for something. You must live in a state where you already have what you desire. You need to feel, act, and think as if your dream is already a reality. But here's the trick. You have to ignore what you see in the material world, especially if it contradicts your mental image. If the world around you is telling you that you're broke, that you're unhealthy, that you're unhappy, you have to reject those images and hold fast to the picture of the reality you are creating in your mind. This isn't just about positive thinking. It's about mental discipline. When Jesus said, "If you do not abstain from the world, you cannot enter the kingdom," he was talking about the mental realm. The kingdom is where your true power lies, in your thoughts. When you're too attached to the material world, to what you see and feel, you lose sight of your ability to create. This idea is not new. Plato described the physical world as a mere reflection of the world of ideas. He understood that what we see with our eyes is only a shadow of what exists in the mental realm. Buddha taught that all that we are is the result of what we have thought. Your life today is nothing more than a reflection of your past thoughts. But here's the exciting part. If your present reality is the result of your past thoughts, then your future reality can be shaped by the thoughts you choose to focus on now. You have the power to change everything. Now, you may be thinking, is this all just ancient philosophy? But the truth is, modern science is beginning to catch up with what the ancient mystics knew all along. A study conducted by Harvard University found that people who practice the principle of mentalism are 50% more likely to achieve their goals compared to those who don't. These individuals aren't just thinking positively. They have a clear mental vision of what they want, they believe in their ability to achieve it, and they act in alignment with their desired reality. The same study also found that people who live according to this principle report higher levels of happiness and life satisfaction. Why? Because they focus on the positive, and their world reflects that positivity back to them. When you understand that your reality is a reflection of your thoughts, it becomes easier to ignore the negativity around you and stay focused on your vision. So, how do you apply this knowledge today? Start by getting crystal clear about what you want. Visualize it in your mind's eye, as if it's already happening. Feel it, believe it, live it. Don't just wish for it, but act as if it's already part of your life. Ignore the doubt and negativity in the world around you. When things don't seem to be going your way, remind yourself that the physical world is delayed. It's simply catching up to the vision you're holding in your mind. You are the creator of your reality. You have the power to shape your world with your thoughts. Now, I want to challenge you. Are you ready to start creating your life with intention? Are you ready to live in alignment with the greatest vision you have for yourself? Don't take my word for it. Try it for yourself. Spend the next 30 days visualizing your desires as if they're already real. Act in alignment with that vision. Ignore the external negativity and watch how your world starts to shift. Listen to this video again if you need to. Let it sink into your subconscious mind until you fully believe in your ability to shape your reality. If you found this information valuable, like this video, subscribe to Power of Thought for more content on mastering your mind, and share this with someone who needs to hear this message. Remember, you're not destined, you're programmed. And if you change your programming, you can change your destiny. Until next time, always remember, you have the power to create your reality with your thoughts. Think big, think positive, and think now.